Rethinking your choices, understanding, having second thoughts. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase that you might have heard before, having second thoughts. This phrase is quite common in both spoken and written English, and understanding it can really help you in expressing uncertainty or reconsideration. Let's break it down together, so you can start using it confidently in your conversations and writing. Having second thoughts refers to the process of reconsidering a decision or opinion you've previously made. It implies doubt or uncertainty about a choice, often leading to a change of mind. When someone says they are having second thoughts, it means they are questioning whether their initial decision was the right one. This phrase is often used in contexts where a decision has significant implications, and the person is taking a moment to reflect on their options before finalizing their choice. To help you better understand how to use having second thoughts, let's look at some examples in everyday conversations. Making plans. I was excited about going hiking this weekend, but now I'm having second thoughts because of the weather forecast. Relationships. After our argument, I started having second thoughts about our relationship. Purchases. He was about to buy the expensive laptop but had second thoughts at the last minute and chose a cheaper model. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various situations, from personal decisions to interactions with others. Now that you know what it means and have seen some examples, let's learn how to incorporate having second thoughts into sentences. 1. Expressing doubt. I'm having second thoughts about moving to a new city. 2. Changing opinions. She initially agreed to the project proposal, but now she's having second thoughts. 3. Reflecting on decisions. We were all set for the trip, but having second thoughts is making us reconsider. The phrase can be used in both formal and informal settings, making it a versatile addition to your English vocabulary. Understanding and using the phrase, having second thoughts, can add depth to your conversations and writings, allowing you to express reconsideration and doubt effectively. It's a reflection of the human experience, where decisions aren't always straightforward, and we often take the time to reflect on our choices. We hope this video helps you grasp the concept and feel more comfortable using it in your English communication. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to have second thoughts about exploring more phrases with us.